Okay, next and the last topic of this chapter is lubrication of rolling contact bearings. How to, which lubricant should be used in which condition, that will look in this today's lecture. So the purpose of lubrication in anti-friction bearing or rolling contact bearing is mainly to reduce the friction between balls and races. That is the main purpose of lubrication in rolling contact bearing. Okay. Because although rolling contact bearing ma friction ocho hoy છે, still it is present, so to remove that friction also or reduce that friction also, we are using lubrication. And the other objectives, this was the primary objective. The other objective of a lubrication is to dissipate the frictional heat, because we know that in bearing the metal to metal contact, okay, so there will be heat generation at the contact point because of friction, okay, and we are required to remove that heat. જો તમે કોઈ બેરિંગ રન થતું હશે at higher RPMs for at least for half an hour also, okay, and if you touch that bearing, then you will feel the heat. Okay, bearing છે તે એકદમ ગરમ થઈ ગયેલું હશે because of this metal to metal contact. Okay, so to dissipate the frictional heat is also an objective of lubrication. Second, prevention of corrosion. Okay, lubricant prevents the corrosion of balls and races. Third, protection of the bearing from dirt and other foreign particles. Okay. Bearing जो open હોય તો અંદર dirt અને dust ના particles enter થતા હોય છે. Okay, જો આપણે lubricant use કરીશું તો because of that viscosity of lubricant, that foreign particles cannot go inside the bearing, or at least reduce કરે છે. dirt અને dust છે તેને અંદર નથી જવા દેતું. Okay, so that is the primary and these are the secondary objectives. Okay. So basically there are two types of lubricant, oil and grease. Compared to grease, oil offers following advantages. Okay, we know that oil set at any viscosity as compared to grease ocho હોય છે, it can flow. Okay, grease is a solid kind of thing. Okay, થોડું solid type આવશે grease, જે આમ easily flow નથી થતું હતું. Okay, so oil offers some of the advantages over grease. So what are that advantages? That let's have a look at it. First one, it is more effective in carrying frictional heat. Okay. The oil is more effective in carrying frictional heat because of its flowing capacity. Okay. Second, it fits more easily into contact areas of the bearing under load. Okay, because easily flow થઈ શકતો હોય છે oil, so it can reach up to the contact area. ઘણી વખત એવું પણ થાય કે ડિફિકલ્ટ જીઓમેટ્રી હોય તો ત્યાં કોન્ટેક્ટ એરિયા પર પહોંચવું સોલિડ લુબ્રિકન્ટ માટે ડિફિકલ્ટ હોય છે. થર્ડ વન, ઇટ ઇઝ મોર ઇફેક્ટિવ ઇન flushing out the dirt, corrosion and foreign particles of the bearing. Okay. જે પણ ડસ્ટ કે કોઈ પણ અંદર પાર્ટિકલ ગયું હોય તેને ફ્લશ કરી શકતું હોય છે. And the advantages offered by the grease lubricant over oil. Okay, first, simple bearing design. Okay, grease છે તે solid kind of material હોય છે. Okay, so to feed it into bearing, we have to keep the housing design simple. Second, less maintenance cost, better operating against rust and less possibility of leakage. લીકેજ નહીં થશે બીકોઝ સોલિડ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ હશે, સો લીકેજનો પ્રોબ્લેમ નહીં આવશે ગ્રીસમાં. ઓકે, there are some guidelines for selecting lubricant for particular application. First one, when the temperature is less than 100 degrees Celsius, grease is suitable, while lubricating oils are preferred for applications where temperature exceeds 100 degrees Celsius. As we see, ઓઇલ છે તે ફ્લો થઈ શકતો હોય છે. એના એડવાન્ટેજમાં જ આપણે આગળ જોઈ લીધું ઓબ્જેક્ટિવમાં. ઇટ કેરીઝ અવે ધ હીટ વિથ ઇટ. ઓઇલ છે તે બેરિંગમાં જનરેટ થયેલી હીટ પોતાની સાથે કેરી કરી શકે છે. સેકન્ડ, વેન ધ પ્રોડક્ટ ઓફ બોર એન્ડ સ્પીડ ઇઝ બિલો 2 lakh, grease is suitable. Okay, for higher values lubricating oils are recommended. Mean to say at higher RPMs lubricating oil will do better. Third, grease is suitable for low and moderate loads. જ્યારે લો અને મોડરેટ લોડ હશે ત્યારે જ ગ્રીસ સુટેબલ હશે, બીકોઝ હાઈ લોડ પર શું થશે કે કોન્ટેક્ટ પ્રેશર એટલું વધી જશે કે ગ્રીસ છે તે પોતાની જગ્યા પરથી નીકળી જશે. સો ઇન ધેટ કેસ વી હેવ ટુ યુઝ lubricating oil. Then fourth one, if there is central lubricating system which is required for lubrication of parts, the same lubricating oil is used for bearing, for example gearbox. Suppose એક સેન્ટ્રલ લુબ્રિકેટિંગ કન્ટેનર હોય જેની અંદર આપણે ઓઇલ સ્ટોર કરેલું હોય અને એવી રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હોય કે ઓઇલ છે તે ડિફરન્ટ કમ્પોનન્ટ સુધી પહોંચવું જોઈએ. ઓકે, સો વી કેન ફ્લો ધીસ ઓઇલ થ્રુ ધ ડિફરન્ટ કમ્પોનન્ટ્સ. ઓકે, that is flowability of oil. Okay, so that is what this fourth point is saying. We can, if there is requirement of central lubrication, then you should use oil instead of grease, because it is very difficult to make grease flow. Okay. The choice of lubricating oil is necessary for high speed heavy load application as discussed in this second and third point. Okay, high speed and a heavy load hase, at that time you have to use lubricating oil, while for remaining of the applications we can use grease as it is cheapest mode of lubrication. It is very cheap as compared to oil. Okay. So these are the guidelines for selecting lubricant for particular application. Thanks for watching. That's it for this chapter. Okay.